M. Which program can be used for email? B. Outlook Express. Modulator demodulator is the device that converts C. Both A and B. Digital signal into analog signal and analog signal into digital signal. Dash is used for scanning the pictures and putting them in digitized form in the computer. D. Scanner. Animator, 3D Studio, CorelDRAW and Flash are C. Multimedia SWD. Which statement is valid? C. 1 KB is equal to 1024 bytes. The O. Which device the main components of the computer communicate with each other? B. System bus. Which is a valid program to access the internet? D. Netscape. Which one is the low-level language? A. Assembly. Which is a volatile memory? D. RAM. The digital signals can be represented by D. All of the above. Binary codes 0 and 1, high and low. The third generation computer was made with C. IC. The BIOS is the abbreviation of A. Basic Input Output System. What do you call a single point on a computer screen? C. Pixel. How was the generation of computer classified? A. By the device used in memory and processor. A normal CD-ROM usually can store up to dash data. C. 680 MB. ATM stands for B. Automatic Teller Machine. The second generation computer was based on C. Transistor. Operating system, editors and debuggers comes under A. System software. Which device is required for the internet connection? B. Modem. What does DMA stands for? B. Direct memory access. When did John Napier develop logarithm? B. 1804. Which of the following are the cheapest memory device in terms of cost? Bit. C. Compact discs. Which of the following are the best units of data on an external storage device? B. Bytes. Which of the following have the fastest access time? A. Semiconductor memories. Which of the following is a read-only memory storage device? B. CD-ROM. Which of the following is a programming language? B. Pascal. What is a compiler? B. A compiler converts the whole of a higher-level program code into machine code in one step.